Have you ever noticed that a whisper can feel louder than a shout? Pleasure lives in that paradox. Small, precise signals can light up whole circuits in the brain. Tonight, I want to pull you into 3 short experiments that mix real science, a dash of folklore, and one of my own late-night failures. All safe, simple, and made to wake up your curiosity. Start with the tiny truth. The brain decides what is pleasurable. Nerves send messages, but meaning and context are made up in the cortex. That means you can change the volume of your pleasure by changing the context. Years ago, after a long conference day, I tested that idea alone in a cheap hotel room. I set a kitchen timer for 10 minutes, closed my eyes, and treated my skin like a map. No goals, no pressure, just gentle exploration with a silk scarf, a cold metal spoon, and my voice counting slow breath. 10 minutes later, I understood how much feeling is about it, not force. I also learned that hotel spoons are never truly cold. Lesson noted. Experiment 1, mapping. Find 10 minutes and a blindfold or a sleep map with slow, even breathing, traced with fingertip hard, along neutral zones, and then along the classic erogenous neighborhoods. Behind the ear, the side of the neck, the chest, inner thighs, perineum. Mark where tiny touches flick a spark and where they do nothing. Take notes like a lab: time, sensation, contact. This is sensory cartography. You are building a personalized map of what reliably sends signals to your brain. Experiment 2, contrast and breath. Science shows that temperature change and breath alter receptor threshold. Try alternating a warm washcloth and a cool spoon on a single spot while exhaling slowly on the cool moment. The contrast makes the nerve ending shout. The breath tells the brain the body is safe and present. Add a rhythm. 4 counts in, 6 counts out. This is not about speed, it's about control. If you're curious about edge, this breathing pattern is the foundation for extending pleasure without rushing the brain's reward circuits. Experiment 3, ritual and suggestion. Here's where folklore meets neuroscience. Sailors used to tell a story called the Tides Kit, a midnight salt rinse, and he walked under the moon to sharpen feeling. It's myth, but the idea holds. Ritual focuses attention. Make a small rite. Dim the lights. Pick a scent that isn't intrusive, citrus or cedar. Whisper an intention to yourself, like a short hypothesis. I will notice 3 new sensations. Then do a 5-minute focused exercise from your mat. The ritual channels expectation. An expectation is a powerful amplifier in the brain. Safety note, because curiosity and science must be kind. Always move slowly. Stop at discomfort. Give explicit consent if another person is involved. And keep hygiene in mind. Treat your body like a research subject you respect, not a problem to solve. So if you want data, keep a tiny lab journal. Date, conditions, what changed, what surprised you. Over weeks, you'll notice patterns, time of day, level of fatigue, certain sense that reliably tune pleasure up or down. That is the real discovery. Pleasure is not a single switch. It's a system you can learn to read and, with practice, to influence. So tonight, blindfold on, a spoon in the freezer, a slow breath, and a little myth for comfort. Try one experiment, write 1 line in your journal, and come back the next night to test it again. Science loves a repeatable result, and your curious brain will thank you.